how to restore data, backup data from Samsung Cloud. So if you need to recover your data from old device, or maybe you accidentally deleted something on this phone, now you want to restore it, I'm going to show you how you can do this with the help of Samsung Cloud. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open up the settings and scroll down till the accounts and backup. Or you can just tap on the search on the top and manually enter restore. And then you should see this option restore data down below accounts and backup. So tap on that and then tap restore data under Samsung Cloud option. And now you have a choice. You can either restore data on this device or backup from other devices. What we're gonna choose? Let's choose, for example, this one. And on the top, you should see amount of storage it will take. And if you don't want to restore everything, you want to restore a specific type of data, then you can just unselect everything and then select what you want to restore. Let's say I want to restore my contacts and maybe home screen and apps. Let's unselect contacts. Let's just choose home screen and apps. I'm going to tap restore, tap yes, tap install. And now it is restoring my data. As you can see, my home screen is almost restored, but apps will take a little bit longer to restore because I have a lot of them, 10. So it depends on the amount of data you want to restore. It can take 1 minute to restore your data or up to 1 hour. So just keep in mind that it depends on the amount of data you want to restore. And let's just wait a bit more till we can see that the data is restored. I'm just going to show you my home screen right now. This is how it looks. Let's go back to the setting and wait till my data will be restored. And now finally the process is finished. So data is restored. Let's tap done. Now we can keep storage organized by getting rid of old backups that are no longer needed, but I'm gonna tap later. And now we can see that my home screen has been changed. So I can see much more apps in my app drawer as well as on my home screen. So that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.